Hi there, Paulo here. The fastest and most responsive website builder that anybody can use, especially you, is Builderall Cheetah. And in this video, I'll show you what the settings button can do. Before we proceed, intro. Welcome back. This is the Builderall back office. Builderall is an all-in-one digital marketing platform that can be used by anybody even without learning any programming and technical skills. It can be used to build websites, sales funnels, do email marketing, e-commerce, Facebook chatbots, which is a powerful lead generating tool. You can also make online courses on it, and many more. If you want to check on this, I'll just put the link on the description of this video. Now let's go at the bottom, which is for the Builderall Cheetah. Click on enter. And now it's loading and it's here. By the way, with Builderall Cheetah, with Builderall rather, you can also give your virtual assistant an access to any of the tasks that you'll be assigning to them. Okay, let's go back here. Now, on Builderall Cheetah, here it will show us the websites that we've made. So I have 4 demo websites already. But for this one, let's go ahead and create a new one. Create a new site. I'm gonna name this Demo 5. And then click on Save. Let's go to Demo 5 and click on Edit Site so we can go in. Now that we're in, this will show us the pages that we have for this specific website that we're working on. For this one, it has the home page. Let's go ahead and edit the home page. Click on Edit Page. So this is the blank page of the website. You can have grid lines on it if you want to. Okay, also ruler. Now, also here you have the computer view or the desktop view and the phone view, which we'll go through in a bit. Now, just to show you how this works, by the way, as I said earlier on the intro, this is the fastest and most responsive website builder. Let's go through that real quick. So I'm going to do add panel and then just going to choose a content for the website. Let's say I want this panel. So you don't really have to think of what to put on your website. It's already here. You just have to choose from the panels or templates and then edit everything. So for the content, let's say this one. So we have the headline and the content. So that's just some of it. All right. If I want to move something, let's say for example, I want to add a header to it. A header, this one. So the header is at the bottom. The header should be on top. That's why it's called a header. So what we do is just click on it, left click. Here you'll have a mini menu or toolbar. There's an option to edit. There's an arrow if you want to go up, duplicate it, hide it, and delete it. So what we want to do is for this header to be on top. So here's what we do. Just left click on it, and again left click on it, and then click on the arrow going up. Okay, and click on it and click on the arrow going up, and it's on top already. That's how simple and easy it is. Alright, for example, this one, let's add one more panel or content. Let's say the theme. For example, this one. Okay. And let's add a footer. So add panel and footer. Say this one. So now we have a footer. So click on preview, because what we want to do is we want to see how it would look like on a live website. So far we have the header for the home and the menus, the headline, content, the theme, and the footer. Now let's check how it would look like on the mobile phone. Boom. Look at that. No fixing needed. Everything is real time. No need to make adjustments, but if you prefer to do so, you can still make any adjustments on it to your own preference. That's how fast and responsive Builderall Cheetah is, because other website builders, you need to make adjustments because it would look different from the computer or desktop view. It would look different on a mobile view. But for this one, it's at an instant. Click on it. Everything is already fixed. But then again, you can make adjustments still to your own preference. Now, how do we access the settings? Or what about this settings button? So back to editor. So from here, just click on settings. This is actually for each element. So let's say, for example, this one. If I want to edit or make changes or customizations to this specific, let's say this specific headline, all right, I just right click on it, and also, yeah, so see, everything is there. When you click on something, there's also it also has a mini menu or toolbar. Gives you the option to edit it. Now you would want it left, center, or right. To duplicate it, all right, and erase it. Okay. So let's say I want to add a blank page or a blank panel. So yes, you can also add a blank panel. Just click on the blank panel. So you can also start everything from scratch if you prefer to do so. So as you can see, the blank panel is at the bottom. I want it to go on top. Just left click on it. Click on the arrow going up, and it's up. I want it up again. I want it on top, next to the header. Arrow up, and it's already on top. Now, from here, let's go ahead and add some elements. Elements, these are what's inside a panel. You can add text, box, button, contact form, email marketing form. Yes, it also has templates on it. Image. So let's say I want to put an image on here. Okay. Click on image. Now, each panel or each element, so let's say this one. Okay, let's work on adding the elements first. So we have an image. Now I want a button. I want a button on it. Okay. So let's stick to let's add a box to it. So I added a box. Now, there are a bunch of elements inside my panel now. If you want to make any customizations to it, all you have to do is click on it. From here, you can link this video to a website, and for the website, when they click on it, you have the option if you want the action to open on the same page or on another page. You can link it to another page, a pop-up, an anchor, or a video itself. Alright, that goes to each of the elements or any of the elements that you put in a panel. So you have a panel. Inside a panel, you have elements, and for each element, you have the settings. All you have to do to access the settings, just click on it. Alright, left click or right click. From here, you can adjust the size. See? Also, general settings. Since it's an image, yes, of course, you can customize the image. There's also opacity to it. The border, round border, shadow, animation, and advanced. For advanced, there are options here to layer it up or down. If you have another image on here, okay, let's try that. I want to add another image. Put an image here. Let's move this here real quick. So there are two images. So right now I would click on this. I want this image to be on top of the new image. So what I would do is layer up. I want it under the second image, layer down. Fast, simple, and easy. No programming, encoding, or any of those technical skills needed. Okay? So again, if you want to customize anything here, just click on it. From here, you can customize everything for that specific element. Right click, alright? Right click on it. Okay, save element. Now for the advanced option on it, for save element, this, if you want to personalize a specific button, because these are as good as templates of the platform, but if you want to personalize it, click on that, click on save, so you can use that personalization to any of the websites you'll be making. Okay, so that's how it works. So again, you have the panel, and inside each panel there are elements which are text, boxes, buttons, contact form, and so. And if you want to customize any of those or make adjustments, all you have to do is click on the specific element, and from there you have all the options on how you would want it to look like, or even animate. Okay, so that's about it for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to learn more, alright, if you have any questions or so, if you think this video would help other people, please do share it. If you want to learn more, just subscribe and click on the bell beside the subscribe button so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions, just comment below or message me on my Facebook page, and I'll either answer it or even make a video out of it so we can share the knowledge to everybody. So just like that, this video is over, and I'll see you on the next one. Let's go!